Thinking about starting a CILA home in Illinois? Let's explore what Community Integrated Living Arrangement is and guide you through the essential steps to get licensed and bring your vision to life. CILA stands for Community Integrated Living Arrangement. It's a unique housing model that provides individuals with disabilities a supportive, home-like environment within the community. These homes foster independence, offering residents the freedom to live their lives while receiving the assistance they need. CILA homes provide round-the-clock or intermittent care, helping residents build skills, form meaningful relationships, and make decisions independently. This inclusive setup plays a critical role in creating a nurturing and empowering environment for those with developmental disabilities. These homes are vital to Illinois' healthcare system, offering crucial support for individuals with mental illnesses and developmental disabilities. By focusing on community integration, CILA homes offer an alternative to more restrictive care facilities, promoting a better quality of life. Starting a CILA home means following regulations set by the Illinois Department of Human Services, also known as DHS. These regulations ensure that CILA homes maintain high standards of care and safety. Prospective operators must meet staffing requirements, complete specific training, and pass background checks. The licensing process is managed by DHS's Bureau of Accreditation, Licensure, and Certification. To get licensed, you'll need to familiarize yourself with DHS guidelines, complete necessary forms, and prepare for on-site inspections. Training and compliance with state standards are key components of the process. Key steps include reviewing DHS guidelines, completing provider training, submitting your application, and preparing your facility for inspection. Following these steps ensures your CILA home meets all state requirements. Starting a CILA home can be a fulfilling journey, but the process can be complex. For expert guidance on meeting Illinois' licensing requirements, book a free consultation with our team today. Let's make your vision a reality. Visit www.carepolicy.us to get started.